sekarang kita nge-live. Gila, gue udah lama banget nggak nge-live strong. Setelah sekian lama akhirnya kayak nge-live lagi kan gue. Finally. Hi guys. Hey guys. Hello everyone. Hello. Hola. Hola, halo. Di mana Honi? Ya di kosan. Di mana lagi gue? Tumben gak lari today? Enggak. How's your day, Kak? My day went really great. I finished early from work today, and then I continue my work for my endorsement stuff. And yeah, that's it. Bina mana? I don't know. Gak ada eksklusif lah. Eksklusif udah tadi pas aku pulang kantor. Ajakin ngopi di Kemayoran. Ngapain sih ngopi di Kemayoran? Aku dan Bina diajak ke Kemayoran. Kamu gila ya? Hewan apa yang bikin salting? Nggak tahu. Yang komen titik-titik gitu, kalau nggak yang kayak spasi panjang itu langsung gue blok. Gue tuh kayak I don't give a shit. Kenapa jarang di eksklusif nih? Hah? Sering tadi aja aku baru selesai di eksklusif. Kamu aja nggak nonton weh. Ngopi di Tebet. Kenapa di Tebet? AWB di mana lagi anjir? Ini udah mau habis sih. AWB itu di mana anjir? Udah dibilang kok komen titik-titik teh aku langsung ngeblok. Aku pun nggak peduli. Kayak dikira gue bercanda. Enggak, gue beneran ngeblok. Gue akan langsung ngeblok. Tip. Terus saya mau kemana? Nggak kemana-mana karena aku nge-live aja. Aku pakai lipstick. Shut me out, girl. Hello. Sumpah ya, all the girls were like asking me what type of bra that I'm using, right? And then I'm like, dude, like, kalau misalkan kalian, if you want to choose the type of bra that suits your babies, it depends on how is your baby's looks like neutrally, you know. Karena no matter how big or thick si busanya itu, kalau misalkan emang aslinya kalian it's not that big, it's not going to be that big. It's not going to be that big, baby. And it's not going to look like rounded, you know, like round. It's not going to look like that. Kak, gak takut diajain kalau latihan boobs gitu. To be honest, kayak diajain sih takut enggak ya. Jujur kayak kok takut enggak. Cuma kalau risih, ya okay, whatever gitu loh. Maksudnya, I'm not the type of person who does really think about other people's opinions. Because I do believe that no matter how I look like, no matter what I do, no matter what I share, no matter what I show on my social media or in real life, people will only see what they like to see, and people will only think what they like to think, and people will only see us with their own lenses anyway at the end of the day. Like I said, aku akan ngeblok semua komen-komen yang titik-titik atau enggak yang kayak komen gak jelas. Aku akan langsung blok. Amat. Males deh gue. Kalau tahu apa kakak, kalau ada yang sampai buat video jerk off on your photo, it does ever happen anyway. It does ever happen really long time ago. But yeah, what can I do? You know, sometimes some people are actually kayak ngelecehinnya tuh bukan kayak sometimes I don't even showing these babies on my social media, kayak on some of my picture itu nggak kelihatan kan, kayak some of my picture ada yang pakai baju aku yang biasa aja gitu kan, tapi tetap aja people still talking about it because it's just there. I can't help it. I have it anyway, and I embrace it. I love it. Why should I hide it? Tangannya udah sembuh, udah. It's healed already. And some people were asking me what happened to my arm. And then kayak even mantan aku sampai nanya kayak, you're not in some sort of abusive relationship, right? Dia bilang gitu. And I'm like, the fuck? What the fuck? No, I'm not. Nggak berkuda lagi kah? Berkuda tapi not this week. Kayak this week aku nggak berkuda soalnya weekend ini aku akan having a birthday, and then my mom will also having her birthday. So basically ulang tahunnya aku sama mama aku itu kan sama-sama 20 Juli kan. Jadi kayak kita sama ulang tahunnya. Halo kan Jerry, ya kayak yang influencer kayak lo deh Jer. Lo gue ajakin golf sekarang udah gak pernah bales ya. Awas aja lo. So you're looking for someone or not? Looking for someone? What do you mean? I'm not really looking for someone, to be honest. I mean, looking enggak sih, maksudnya kayak ya udah just let it flow. Whatever goes around goes around. I miss you, honey. I miss you too. Let's go golfing again. Please don't take me to run, especially on your pace. Karena I know kayak lo sekarang larinya rajin ya, Jar, gue lihat. Ayo lo golf lagi, girls. Lo nggak pengen coba berkuda, Jar? Halo Kak Hani. Halo, latihan di Pamulang ya Kak? Iya, aku itu latihan di Pamulang Equestrian Stable, if I'm not mistaken. Kayak aku di situ, pokoknya aku di situ aja namanya, di Pacuan Kuda Pamulang. Karena itu yang paling deket sama rumah kan. Oh, jadi kalau kata terbaik ibu kamu adalah kamu dong. I guess so. Kayaknya. Karena when she's having her birthday, she having me. I was born at her birthday. Hai Pletianka, halo Levi. Levi, besok kita ke Warceh aja yuk. Tapi aku besok kan bisa sampai malam-malam. Aku besok nggak bisa sampai malam-malam. I cannot really. Ya. Itu. What's up? Masa ada yang komen di IG aku kayak apa namanya? Pokoknya dia bilang kayak, kan lo nih baru Batak, nggak usah sok-sok. Gue sok-sok apa anjir? Aku nggak sok-sok apa guys. Kayak what did I do? Nothing. Hi Andrew. 1, 2, 3 abierto. I cannot speak that language. Even kayak sekarang kalau misalkan aku diajakin ngomong bahasa Prancis ya, aku immediately langsung jawab kayak je ne parle français. Je ne parle français. By the way, indah kali ho ai malam. Whatever. Pakai bukit apa Kak Luko? Aku diracunin sama teman aku, dia pakai beku. Come to Bali, let's run. I will not come to Bali. Last year I go to Bali already. Like what for, dude? Oh, Hani udah jarang lihat lari di Bintaro. Masa sih? Perasaan aku waktu kemarin lari di Bintaro. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I love Bali too. I mean, I love Bali, yes. I do really love Bali, but it's just like, it's not the right time for me to go to Bali or anywhere, I guess. Because I really caught up with my work. I still have a lot of work to do and everything. And I really love my job. I love working. Maybe I will go to Bali kalau misalkan kayak nggak bisa. Udah dibilang nggak bisa bahasa Batak, aku aja nggak pernah ke Batak guys, karena aku udah nggak ada keluarga lagi di Medan. Semua udah pada pindah ke sini semua. Jadi, yeah, there are no reason to go there gitu, except for a vacation. Honey, ya? Yeah? Sorry. Lupa gue. Hi Errol. Lancar sekali ya speakingnya. Tons of works chasing deadline. Not chasing deadline. To be honest, kayak bos aku tuh gak pernah ngasih aku specific deadline yang kayak mepet gitu loh so far ya. So far ya. So it's like, it's chill. It's actually pretty chill, and all of my colleagues are such a really pretty chill colleagues, and I'm so grateful to be around them. And yeah, but I'm just the type of person, if I want to finish it, like if I could finish it as quick as possible, I would, you know? Okay, I could literally not eating, not breathing, anything, just finish my work until it's done, and then I could breathe. Even though it's not really chasing any deadline. Gak berkuda lagi kak. Masih kok. Ya gue masa berkuda tiap hari. Tekor dong gue. Kayaknya gini deh, aku agak males nyender kayak tadi. Editing berhadapan dengan komputer it's not even editing. So basically now I'm currently working as a 3D artist. Kalau misalkan kalian tahu 3D artist, I'm working as that. And to be honest, that is one of my dream job, and it came true right now. So I really grateful for it. And I just bought a new laptop for myself. I bought it with my own money. Like, oh my god. So basically awalnya itu aku punya laptop yang udah lumayan kuat buat 3D and rendering and stuff. It's from my dad. My dad bought it for me when I was still in high school. And it's been a really, really long time. It like took years for me to buy this one. So wait, let me show you guys. Wow. Whoa. Look. I can't. It's like so. My beautiful baby. So it's Lenovo Yoga. Like, and it could be flipped. Like I could use this as a laptop, as a tab as well, karena aku suka menggambar kan. Jadi kayak aku bilang kayak, Dad tolong cariin aku laptop yang aku bisa pakai buat 3D, bisa pakai buat 2D, editing, any software kematian aku bisa pakai gitu, dan including design yang pakai pen ya. So my dad rekomendasi aku buat beli ini. And then dia bilang kayak, yeah, but it's It's $3,000 though, dia bilang gitu. And I'm like, what the fuck. Jadi kayak aku mau beli ini tuh sebenarnya udah dari, wait, aku akan blok akun ini. Oke. Jadi aku tuh sebenarnya mau beli laptop ini udah dari 3 bulan yang lalu. Nah, baru kebeli tuh sekarang. Karena gaji aku maksudnya ya nggak terlalu segitunya kan. Maksudnya gaji aku per bulan kan nggak terlalu banyak. Jadi kayak aku perlu nabung dulu 3 bulan dan aku baru bisa beli laptop 30 juta ini ya. Tuh kayak ini sangat-sangat worth it. Karena kayak oh my god. Like I could actually doing my design here. You know, kalian tahu kan aku suka banget desain-desain. Lagi suka banget desain-desain baju sekarang. I could actually do it here. With the laptop. I was like, oh my freaking god. Sakayang laptop gue namanya juga yoga. Mau apa lagi? Headstand. Bisa dia. Apapun, anything. I'm really grateful with my life, to be honest, guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that I could start this early at this age of my life. Without having a boyfriend or anyone or any man get in my way. Kurang suka kalau PC. Kurang, karena kalau PC kan kalau PC itu kamu mau gambar, misalkan kamu mau ilustrasi, itu harus pakai Wacom. Ya kan, nah aku tuh anaknya nggak bisa pakai Wacom. Tangan aku tuh nggak sinkron, tangan sama mata aku itu nggak sinkron kalau pakai Wacom. Jadi mau nggak mau aku harus beli yang kayak gitu supaya kayak aku bisa kayak real gitu loh ngeliat ke laptopnya. Tapi sih gue nih kalau lagi excited kayak cacingan gitu anjir. Maaf ya. Aslinya keluar. Ya gimana ya abisnya? Ikutnya rasa apa? Beku rasa raspberry, if I'm not mistaken ya, by the way. Anyway, I think I will turn on the TV. Remind me Wacom. Ya, Wacom. Karena kecil aku seneng. Ya, obviously. Turn on my TV. Let's hear some music, shall we?
Ini sekarang sudah ada studio macam studio Ami.
Wait, let me. Gue OTW sana ya. Iya. Gue tunggu. Wait, aku mau nyalain hotspot dulu sebentar ya, babe. Okay. Kok bisa ada lightning di belakang? No, ini lampu atas, man. Iya, ini lampu atas, oke? Okay? Anyway, sekarang aku mau mau nyetel musik. Itu di meja. Oh, ini. Ya kan aku kalau ngerjain endorsement lampu ke segini kan nggak cukup. Kurang dong, say. Tuh di meja ada lightning. Iya. Itu kalau bisa aku bikin endorsan. Elah. Lepas itu kancing bajunya gak apa-apa. Enggak, emang ini gini, Beb. Karena kalau tadi aku di kantor kan aku tutup semua. Karena harus sopan kan. Bukan harus sopan sih. Sebenarnya kayak I could wear anything. Cuman kayak ya tahu diri aja anjir. So workplace. Dan ini tuh lumayan sesek ya saya kalau kayak gini. With my babies needs to breathe. Just be freaking honest. Gue gak tau kenapa tapi kayak for some people kayak these are so taboo, you know. For me it's not. Like it's just how neutral girls have those, and it's totally fine. cozy aja ruangnya. Ya, yes, it is pretty cozy, guys. Aku tuh ngekos di Raung Residence. Sumpah aku lagi kayak suka banget My Chemical Romance lagi. Dia pengen konser. Ajarin ngandelin kuda kok dong kak. Ya sana berkuda anjir. Emang gue coachnya, gue juga masih belajar. Kak sekarang marjum loh. Terus kenapa? Pamulang, iya aku berkuda di Pamulang. The stable is located in Pamulang ya guys, by the way, if you guys wondering. Kakak main golf juga nggak? Main. Fikri, Neng di mana Neng? Di kos, Bang Fikri. Makasih sini. Sini dong, Song. Gue lagi sendiri nih di kos, temenin gue. Ajak aja Lepi. Yang sapamnya lagi nggak resin. Spill face wash, Kak. Face wash aku pakai dari itu apa namanya? Senka Perfect Whip, sama satu lagi tuh aku pakai dari Skin Food. Udah kak diajarin apalagi kakak handle-handlein kudanya. Iya, kamu harus ke stable-nya, Beb. Aku juga masih diajarin sama orang, jadi aku nggak bisa ngajarin orang. Tinggi badan aku pendek sih sebenarnya. Pendek badan aku itu 151, tapi BB aku itu 41. Tanya sama kancingnya menahan beban berat. Do you feel like you look like Ariel Tatum? That's a really good compliment, by the way. Thank you. Things are better if I stay so long. Kurs kuda itu sekali datang atau paket pertemuan? Kalau ada yang sekali datang, sama ada yang satu paket pertemuan. Kalau satu paket pertemuan tuh itu aku per bulan di 2,8. Kalau sekali datang paling kayak cuman 500.000. 40 menit atau 30 menit gitu, I guess. Kita satu marga Siregar. Hey Siregar fellas, nanti datang nggak konser MCR? I don't know, I'm not sure. Menurutnya emang sawo matang. Aku emang nggak tahu sih. Aku tuh lebih ke kuning langsat ya. Nggak sawo matang amat. Ada niatan lanjut kuliah nggak? Ada dong. Aku pengen buat ambil double degree. And good night. So long.